What's going on, everyone? Lullet here. It's going to be a quick one. We're going to look at where Tesla price could be based on the fact that, unfortunately, Papa Elon, aka Elon Musk, probably got the Rona. He calls it bogus. He got 2 false positives, 2 false negatives. So really quick, we'll be looking at the option chain and seeing what the sentiment looks like for next week, whether it's more bullish, bearish, etc. And Tesla's closing around this 408, 409 region right here, a market close on Friday. So see you on the other side. So here where my cursor is, we're at the money over here at 405, 4010. And overall, if we see on the left side in terms of open interest and volume, there are higher numbers over here above 400. So 410, 415, 420 plus strike prices. Right over here, you see this in the thousands in terms of open interest, volume on the more bullish side, aka Tesla going up. And this is for the expiration date of November 27th. And on the other side, as you can see, it's more the opposite. So when we go below 400, especially at these triggers of, for example, 390, 388 specifically, and 380, and all the way down here to 350, which is right over here. So basically, you're looking at around 2642 and 6155. So the point of the story is, it looks like more demand that Tesla will go up, but looking at the graph overall, you have that 450 kind of high. And so it makes sense, but overall, regardless of the news, Tesla's Tesla, and response to Meet Kevin in this over here, watched this video recently. Basically, even 10 years after the fact, unfortunately, when Steve Jobs unfortunately passed away, Apple is still on the up and up. And that's not to say anything will happen to Elon or not. We don't know. News is news. But the point is, graph is the graph, earnings are earnings, and Tesla is Tesla. So just wanted to highlight this, and always to look at the options change for option sentiment in terms of what maybe folks are thinking the open market regarding news, etc. But I wanted to highlight this, and have a great weekend. We'll see you soon. This is a quick video, so it's all good. Good luck. See you soon.